Let me give you a slightly oddball example, but that I hope kind of shows you the power of these things. Um, let's imagine something like you have a solar system and you've got a load of planets moving around. Okay, we can think about that as a graph, right? We can think about that as a graph because we've got a bunch of nodes, which are all our planets and maybe our star, and then we've got relationships, which is the gravitational influence that each one has on each other one. Okay, why is it useful to think about that as a graph? Well, because although the equations exist to help you predict the motion of the planets and which ones are going to interact with which other planets, and are they stable or are they not, they are enormously complicated, and you require a supercomputer to try and actually solve these things. Well, it turns out that graph neural networks do an extremely good job of explaining and predicting the trajectories of systems like this. And we can apply it to, once we have that insight that we can model things in the physical world as a graph, and that a graph neural network can help us predict the evolution of the system, we can suddenly see this enormous vista of opportunities for applying it to things that aren't just social networks or computers in banks or collections of web pages. And so that's one of the reasons that there's a lot of excitement about them at the moment.